Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to use the deviation tool in PointKit Scan. First, we're going to load up some deviation data straight from the menu in PointKit Scan. You can see here that we have two different scans. One is a stone reference file, which is a scan of a stone model, and a scan of real teeth, and we're going to compare the two. Once you have two scans, you simply go to Tools and Deviation Analysis. Make sure to press the Calculate button to see some of the initial results. If you're not sure how to use the settings, you can just enable autoscale, which will automatically calculate values for you that are sensible defaults. In this case, we have set the stone reference model as our reference and the actual teeth scan as our target. And we've opted to render the stone model as our reference render. You can toggle this to decide which one of the models you want to show. We want to get some more useful information. So normally after you do an autoscale, you want to turn it off because autoscale is good for getting some global values, but you want to set specific things so you can get interesting information out of it. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to keep with the default of 4 steps, and we'll set our step size to maybe 100 microns each. So you can edit those values, and it more or less updates. And right now you can see everything is still green. It's because our nominal is quite high compared to our step size. You can see here on this bar graph that this is where all the values are, and you can see that the nominal values are crossing almost all the values. So we'll set our nominals to be much smaller, which is we'll put it at 50 microns. And this gives us a lot more useful information. You can see now very clearly that the teeth are mostly green, so that's all nominal values, and the gums are the values that have changed compared to a scan, which is something you would expect if you're comparing a real-life scan versus a stone model. Not only do you see some basic information here, you can quickly create callouts by just simply clicking on with your mouse. So you can see here that when you click on this point, there's a 17 micron deviation. You can click on here, and anywhere you kind of are interested in, and you can pull deviation information out very easily. On top of that, you have a couple different interesting options here, including being able to have both different positive and negative nominals, as well as getting maximum points, checking how many points are outside your maximum range. If you don't want any of these clear callouts, you can simply click the clear call button, which will clear the callouts for you. Next, you have a couple very different interesting options here. One, you can save all this as a HTML report, so you can share this deviation analysis with people who might not have PointKit Scan. For other people who do have PointKit Scan, you can export this deviation as a single PBN file, and then once you save as a PBN file, you can give this file to someone else, and they will automatically get this deviation view with your settings that you've selected. And lastly, you can also share it directly onto PointKit View as well, and you can just simply enter somebody's email and they will get access to this deviation report. Hopefully this was a very quick summary of some of the features available in our deviation analysis tool. If you want to know more information, please check out our manual. Thanks a lot.